Welcome to the tutorial video on using the MindShift app. To get started, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for MindShift. Then, download the app for free. Once downloaded, open the app on your device. You will then be required to create an account using an email address. The navigation panel on MindShift can be found at the bottom of your screen. It consists of 5 sections. On the home page, you will be able to track your anxiety, learn about different types, and gain access to different tools for managing anxiety. The Learn page contains resources that explain anxiety and cognitive behavioral therapy. The Quick Relief option provides a set of tools that will help provide quick relief when you feel overwhelmed in the moment. The Goals page allows you to set goals, build better habits, and stay accountable using reminders that are tailored to your schedule. The Share page allows you to share your MindShift data with others, such as a friend, a family member, or a therapist. You can also share a download link for the app to someone who may need it. To start using MindShift, navigate to the home page and use the slider to record how you are feeling. Once this is submitted, you will be prompted to rate your anxiety on a scale from 1 to 10. After this, you will be able to add detailed notes and symptoms to your log. Once you have completed this activity, press Submit. Your entry will be tracked on a summary page. Alternatively, you may visit the Tools feature on the home page. This feature provides a range of tools for developing healthier thinking habits, improving relaxation, and overcoming challenges. If you find that you are feeling overwhelmed but have a limited amount of time, you may visit the Quick Relief option for fast-acting anxiety management tools that can provide relief in the moment. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on using the MindShift app. For more information, please visit the resources below.